Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the Indian Contract Act. We will start by understanding the foundational principles of contract law. It is crucial to begin with clear definitions of key terms like offer, acceptance, and consideration. Then, we will focus on the essential elements required for a valid contract, ensuring you build a strong base for further study. This structured approach will make the learning process much more manageable and effective. Next, we will delve into the core concepts of the Act. It is important to study offer, acceptance, consideration, and the capacity of parties to contract. Pay close attention to sections 10 through 30, as they cover crucial aspects of agreement formation. Understanding the distinctions between void, voidable, and valid agreements is also key. This segment forms the backbone of your knowledge, so take your time to grasp each concept thoroughly. Moving forward, we will explore the performance of contracts and their eventual discharge. This involves understanding how parties fulfill their obligations and the various ways a contract can be terminated, such as by agreement or impossibility. Additionally, we will examine the remedies available when a contract is breached, including specific performance and damages. Mastering these aspects is vital for a comprehensive understanding of contract law. Finally, to solidify your learning, focus on practical application and continuous review. Analyze real-world case studies and hypothetical scenarios to see how the Act applies. Regularly revise important sections and legal precedents to keep the information fresh. Practicing problem-based questions will help you develop critical thinking skills and ensure you can apply your knowledge effectively. Consistent effort in these areas will lead to mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.